You know what time it is, baby. It's your boy Nico, what's in the building? Guys, today I've got something urban, something classic, something nice. It's got skin fade on the hair, going into a short slick back, urban pompadour, baby. And I've got a nice fade going into the beard. Extraordinary. The guy's like Terminator. He doesn't say a word. He just looks. Man, yeah, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna take you step by step. Let's go, baby.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. The return, back with a slick back skin fade, with a fade on the beard. Eyes and ears open, he'll be taking you through it step by step. Thoroughly wet the hair whilst combing. Create the first section in the middle of the head. Cut the guideline in. Using the guideline, use the club cutting technique. We're going to work our way across the head. Section the top from the side. Removing excess weight by taking small sections, working your way across. Take a section from the recession point to the center of the crown. Pull down the hair and cut it according to the guideline below. Dry the hair. Using trimmers of your choice, create your bald guideline. Using your shaver, bald the skin below your guideline. Create the next guideline with the lever fully open. Rub out the first bald line with the lever halfway. Use the 1/5 guard to create an even surface. Use the 1 guard open and continue blending down, continuously adjusting the lever until the lever is closed. Using the 0/5 guard, work on rubbing of the line. Lever open and closed, adjusting as needed. Finish the fade by opening and closing the lever to refine any areas that need going over. Using scissor over comb technique, gently go over the fade by directing the comb straight up. Shape up the edges. Use the 1-5 guard to create an even surface. Use the 1 guard open and continue blending down, continuously adjusting the lever until the lever is closed. Using the 0-5 guard, work on rubbing of the line. Lever open and closed, adjusting as needed. Dry the hair. Using trimmers of your choice, create your bald guideline. Create the next guideline with the lever fully open. Use the 1 guard open and continue blending down, continuously adjusting the lever until the lever is closed. Use the 1-5 guard to create an even surface. Using the 0-5 guard, work on rubbing of the line. Lever open and closed, adjusting as needed. Shape up the edges. Refine all lines and shape up with the razor. That's all for today. If you liked it and want to see more, click subscribe, leave a like and a comment. If you subscribe now, that will be the end of it. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you, and I will. Bye bye.